Okay. I think yes, it is good to go. Okay, so first question.
So it has been a week since we joined this program, and we are doing it continuously. What I feel that has changed in my communication was that I was not able to speak fluently.
Mhm.
I was able to read, I was able to watch videos in English and understand it, but I was not very clear in communicating my ideas. And I think that is something which has improved. And I hope it would be improving much more in the future, as in how we go progress with this program.
True that.
So that was the first thing. And are you more confident while speaking? Yes, sir. I am absolutely more confident
Mhm.
after speaking for this previous 1 week or 10 days around,
Mhm.
and it has helped me
And I
to
can
improve my
also totally
skills.
say that you guys are becoming very confident to whatever scenario comes to you, no? And like
Yeah.
the last call also, Arshit was mentioning this only that because we are exposing ourselves to the journal topics that in life we usually come across.
Yes.
So it is
Yeah.
like giving that dimension to our brain that how to bring topics into picture, no? So yeah, definitely you guys are.
Yes, sir. Is not so. It's not only about communication. We are getting from a lot of ideas from each and
Mhm.
everyone. So it is. So we are also getting how people think. What are those their ideas? How do they have experienced their
Mhm.
life and all?
Yes.
So that is also a thing that helping. Did you feel comfortable asking questions? Yes, sir. I am absolutely comfortable in asking questions and speaking, and it is your efforts also that are making us the program better for us. How's your experience with this program? As of now, my experience has been very good, and I hope we have to make some changes. I want to tell that, and I think then that would be a perfect program for us.
Yes, true. And yes, Nikhil, I was doing the thing, no, because in last call also, Arshit made a point that initially we used to have some cartoonish picture over the screen, and we used to
Yes,
give
sir. Yes, sir.
our emotions to it. How?
That was also a very yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Was also one of the point.
I make a note of it, and from next week onwards, we will definitely keep more session of those only, where images will
Yes, sir.
we will deliver what experience we can relate to it.
Yes.
So it is definitely the part of change.
And and we also guessing we were also talking about that guesstimates and
Yes, yes, yes.
uh, everything like that. So that would also be an improvement, and it will be very helpful for us.
Yes, yes.
And this was the second thing. And sir, one more thing I want to tell that please, I think it would be good for everyone that if we allot a certain time period to speak, there should
Mm.
be some time frames within which
Mhm.
every you have to be complete your
Mhm.
uh, uh, turn within that time frame. That
Mhm.
would be helpful for everyone, and we have to speak for that time.
Mhm.
What are happening right now? Some people are taking 3 minutes. Some people are speaking for just 1 minute. Some taking a 5 minutes. So
Mhm.
that is not
Mhm.
going very well. It's
Mhm.
not, it's something like it's become unequal,
Mhm.
becoming unequal sort of thing. So it would be better if some time frames are allotted and each and everyone has to complete that time frame.
Mhm.
It should not exceed that time frame also, and it has to be mandatory to complete that time. That is thing I think what is very important, and
Yes.
it would be very helpful.
Yes, yes, Nikhil, what happened? No, because I have designed the program already in that way. Na, let me tell you how the idea I implanted in here. So the first week was
Okay.
designed in a way where you are like totally free to whatever you feel like.
Yes.
Even if because see,
Okay.
sometimes what happens, there would be a chances that someone is not very comfortable to speak for a longer time.
Yeah.
Sometimes there are
Yeah.
chances that they just wanted to talk a little and they want to hide away, so I am giving chances to those also. Just first week was to get comfortable, and after that
Mm.
I have this plan because I'm using the strategy that we have in IELTS exam, because there is a cue card we usually have and there is a time limit to it also.
Okay.
So I am about to bring those
Okay.
questions in that way only from the coming weeks, that you have to speak for a minute or two on this particular topic. So that's why first week I left it, just go in a
Okay.
whatever way you
Okay.
feel comfortable like. So yeah, that's the idea.
Oh.
Yeah, I will
Okay.
incorporate.
No, that is also a good thing. That
Yes, yes, yes.
first become comfortable
Yeah,
with
become
the
comfy. Yeah,
screen and
true, true.
starting to speak.
Yeah, first
Okay.
let's become a
That was a
family
good
in here,
idea.
no? First we'll make
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah,
family
yeah.
here, and then yeah, we'll
Yes, sir.
do. Yes.
That's good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that was all about it, and I would rate it. For now, I would rate it 8 out of 10, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah. There is always a room for improvement, no? So yeah, we all will.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
True. Yeah, definitely
Yes,
I
sir.
agree with you on that. Yes. But the best part I feel like, no, from my side is that joining with you guys and having conversation like for even an hour on everyday basis, it feels really,
Yeah,
I would say, I would enjoy these sessions to share life experience
yeah,
with you
absolutely.
guys.
Even I do, sir.
Yeah. Because the days are quite stressful, because all the work we have.
Yeah, because sitting in front of laptop and studying, sitting and full day, it becomes very monotonous and very boring.
Yes. And in this manner, we can like make fun things also into the picture and we learn simultaneously. That's the idea. No?
Yeah,
Just like
yes, sir.
just like we have a great grasp over Hindi because of the
Yeah,
practice.
it would be a
Yeah, no, that's the idea. Yes, Nikhil. So this was the thing, no. And from tomorrow onwards,
okay.
again we will be doing the exercises, and in the coming weeks, you will see those changes that I was talking about from the IELTS point of view or from a
Mm.
proper structure point of view. And do read that book also that we shared in the group, no. You Can Win by Shiv Khera that Shalini shared. That
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, make a read
Yes, sir.
of it. It is
And
having
sir, the timing of the meetings are like some days 8 and some days 9.
yes, yes.
Can we not make it a fixed one?
Yes, actually, Nikhil, what happened? Na, there is also some schedule I was having in those 3 days, so
Okay, okay,
that's why
okay.
I made a like note of it. I think you are having that message, no? In MWF we have 8 to 9, and TTS it is.
Yeah, 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 yeah. We are having that message.
Yeah, but I'll try to fix it, no? If possible, I'll try to fix it. But right
Okay.
now there was some reservation. That's why I made it in that way.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, then we can wrap
Okay,
it
sir.
up, no? Today's session, and
Yeah, sir, it was, yeah,
soon
sir,
we
it was
will
a good
arrange
session.
a next feedback call, and then we'll see how the things were going on, no?
Yeah, sure, sure. Sure, sir.
Okay then, Nikhil.
Okay, sir, we can wrap up this.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.